K-Talk Lab, where K-pop meets learning. The line is
주먹 쥐고 땅에.
Screaming. It's raw and intense, but to understand it, we need to look under the hood at the vocabulary first. Here are our building blocks.
주먹,
Means fist. The word
쥐고,
comes from the verb,
쥐다,
which means to clench,
땅,
is the ground, and that little.
에,
Next to it, that's our location particle, telling us where the action happens. Now, let's look at the
고,
in.
쥐고,
This is a game changer in Korean. It's used to link two actions together by adding
고,
to the verb stem. You're saying I do this, and then I do that. So,
주먹 쥐고.
literally means I clench my fist and. In lyrics, artists often skip small words to keep the rhythm. But in proper Korean, we should add the object particle,
에,
to
주먹,
to show that the fist is what's being clenched, and
땅에,
uses the particle
에,
to firmly place our screaming action right there on the ground. Let's make it a full sentence. If we replace screamin' with the Korean verb,
소리치다.
we get.
주먹을 쥐고 땅에 소리쳐요.
This is the polite way to say it in daily life. If you want to sound very formal, like in a news report or a speech, you'd say,
주먹을 쥐고 땅에 소리칩니다.
here's your golden rule for building sentences like this. Object then verb 1 with go then place with the and finally your main verb. For example,
밥을 먹고 학교에 가요.
means I eat rice and then go to school. Same logic, different setting. See, K-pop isn't just great music. It's a masterclass in Korean grammar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more K-pop breakdowns. See you next time. Annyeong!